of Laurel's Originals, and this is a short video on how to take care of your canvas rug. Canvas rugs last for many, many years, and people often ask me, how do you maintain them and keep them clean? So I hope you enjoy this short video. This is a 4x6 kitchen rug that goes in my little kitchen. It really is a small house. But what I wanted to share with you was because it is a kitchen rug, it can get really grimy. I mean, I do pass a damp mop on it every day. I use disinfectant, or I can use some Clorox. But every once in a while you really need, I give it a little scrub. And I just want to show you that that's okay. So this is a little scrubber. I just have some soap. It's like dish soap and water, okay, mild soap. And I'm just going to pass it over lightly. So any maybe food that's stuck. And two, it can get grimy. I have two big dogs that come in. I live on on a property with lots of grass. We have a lot of mud. And so even though I damp mop it on a regular basis, it's okay to do a little pass over with the scrubber, okay, once in a while. Okay, and then when I'm done with that, then I take my damp mop. Now, oops, in Costa Rica, we don't have damp mops, so we use like these cloth mops, and I put some vinegar on it, and that helps cut through the soap, and also as a disinfectant. And so then I just wipe it up with that, and it really makes your rug stand out a little bit more. It just, brightens it up. And so if you do have a canvas rug and you've had it for some time and it seems like it's a little grimy and you're afraid to give it a little scrub, don't be afraid to do that. It's perfectly fine. It has 5 coats of polyurethane varnish. And so every once in a while, just give it a little scrub and it'll brighten it right up. Okay, oh, and I'll show you where I live. You see I'm spring cleaning with my... Okay, there's my front yard. It's a beautiful morning here in Costa Rica. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I hope that answered some of your questions. If you ever want to communicate with me, please feel free to write me at laurel@laurelsoriginals.com. Check out my website for lots of information on how to make canvas rugs, how we design custom canvas rugs, different designs, but also how you can order a custom canvas rug, how to maintain and install your canvas rug. And if you ever have any questions, please feel free to write me. Thank you. Bye-bye.